program will not close without somebody to open it. Help us welcome Lanime Villarejo for opening remarks.
Sina Ms. Constancia Soriano, Pansanay na Supervisor sa Filipino, Sir Pipito Silvan, Administrative Officer of the Division of Davao City, Mangalma Castillo, District Supervisor of Davao Central District, Sir Ramonito Agustin Alba, it is an honor and privilege to be in this prestigious arena to welcome you all to witness the first advanced summer workshop in communication arts. The 2-week activities give the opportunity to young school children like me to show our talent, as you will see it later on. Meanwhile, just relax, enjoy, and feel the cozy atmosphere of the place. In behalf of